Namaskar friends, my name is Shashidhar Misra and I am going to put my views on self-reliant Bharat. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji recently announced that Bharat is going to have reliance on its local products in many sectors. Now it is the need of the hour because in this pandemic era, free movements are difficult and restricted to bare necessities. Vis-a-vis, the time has also come to become Bharat a global leader, and the countries like China are showing their monstrous attitude against several countries inter alia Bharat. While announcing, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji said that there are 5 pillars of self-reliant Bharat, and these are economy, infrastructure, system, vibrant demography and demand. But in addition to that, quality education, employment and skill development are also necessary. Self-reliant Bharat does not mean that we are getting alienated from the world, but it means to increase the shares of Bharat in the global trades. Till now, imports are more and exports are less. Therefore, it is the time to strengthen our domestic industry and to start local industrial revolution to boost our economy by emphasizing on the use of local products. Our economy is a consumption based economy. Therefore, we have to shift our economy from consumption based economy to investment driven economy. What is our strength for adopting the self-reliance? We are the youngest nations in the world. Therefore, we have one of the highest number of human resources. We are the 5th largest economy in the world. We have a very large market and huge demand. We are the 2nd most populous country in the world. Therefore, we have a highest number of manpower. We have one of the best medical and pharma industries in the world and an army of good quality doctors. We have large hospitality industry, tourism industry, defense industry, space industry, etc. What should the government do for achieving the self-reliance? Government should focus on quality education, skill development and employment. Government should make efficient industrial policy and ensure its growth, innovative policy and other infrastructure regarding it. Government should also attract global and local industries and MNCs by providing low cost and high availability of lands, low cost of electricity and flexible labor laws. Government should promote exports and minimize the import. Government has already taken a very good step that no global tender will be allowed in government procurement tenders up to 200 crore rupees. There are some sectors in which not only will Bharat be self-reliant, but can Bharat become a global supplier, and these sectors are organic farming, food processing, aluminium, iron, copper, agrochemicals, handlooms, etc. Government should focus on FDI, Make in India scheme, Skill India, Stand Up India, Mudra Yojana and other schemes. And we should also learn from the countries like Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, Singapore, Hong Kong, because they have improved their industries and technologies. We should also focus on R&D. We, the people of Bharat, should also have some responsibilities and to promote the use of local products. We should feel pride while using them and also be vocal for our local products and make them global. Industry should also ensure good quality and robust supply chains of local products. Above all, these products should also be globally competitive and reliable. Last but not the least, self-reliance is not and should not be interpreted as an isolation, but it is the bridge between localization and globalization. It is going to strengthen our economy as well as make our people more valuable and vital. Now the time has come to say yes to modernization and development of our local products, but no to westernization and foreign products. Now the people should place to use the local products and avoid foreign products. I urge you all that use the local products with pride and make a mouth promotion. The rich and the poor both should become the brand ambassadors of local products and also be vocal for our local products. जय हिंद, जय भारत.